Okay, this is the Slideshow widget, and the way this works is we're able to actually configure this by changing the title, which is the title of the actual slideshow here. This layout determines how each image will move to the next, if it's going to fade to the next, if it's going to be placed in a cube and then kind of rotated to the next, or placed in a gallery, or even cover flow, which is kind of like a flipping. But by default, this none here is just going to make it just slide. Then we can configure the height, which is just how tall this slideshow is, or even enable captions. Now, if you're not sure how to get captions to work in your slideshow, I have a video over that. Go ahead and watch that. So we also have the Select Photos button, which takes us to this new window where I can, I can change some things around here, but we also have these owners that we're seeing here. And this is actually how we decide which album that this slideshow is going to pull from. I'm just going to say this training gallery here. That's some CSS issues here. Don't worry about that. Okay, but I can also configure this by priority here is actually in what order are the images selected randomly, all the newest images first, all the oldest images first, or by priority. So I'm just going to say random here. And then this drop down is how many images are being pulled from this album. So this album has 4 images, so I can just say 5 images there. Let's go ahead and save that. And see it's experiencing some distortion because it's only 300 pixels wide and the images may not be perfect. Uh, the best pictures to place into the slideshow, but essentially all I did was toggle on the album and I got the images to show up.